Hindi daw.
Faster, faster. I need to get mine.
Friend,
What?
I'm just putting my hair up and I should be ready.
Okay, I'm just gonna dress my...
Okay, bye.
Bye! I don't know where's my jacket.
My doctor.
My doctor dress. Doctor dress.
Found it.
I found it. Hey, excuse me.
Mama.
Ha? Andyan yung basong itim. Basong itim. Minom daw si Piang-Piang. Kaya kasi ng
Coming to work. Oh. I'm out. Friend. Friend. Friend.
Jumping.
Coming. I found something new in our hospital. I've never seen it before.
Where?
Me.
Where?
Minaw, tapos itabi. Baka matapunan yung ano.
I got the ladder to put it on. Baby, come here. I got it. I got the ladder to put. To get up. Follow me. Follow me. Follow. Here. Look, I put it a ladder on so you can see.
And how
that
can I
one?
go up? I can go up. Come here. Friend? Friend?
I can't get up. Oh my god. Be careful up there. I'm gonna go get a flashlight.
I'm down now.
I'm getting a flashlight.
Go flashlight. I see something dangerous. I see a zombie there. I'm scared.
I got one.
Up here. Go there.
Ow.
Go.
Sorry.
Put it there. Something hot. There's something there.
Oh, wrong spot.
Just get the wrong spot. It's here. How you doing that?
I don't know.
I'm going up. Oh, come here. Come here.
Oh, baby.
Whoa.
Stranger.
I need to get my flashlight.
Be quiet. Something done.
Okay, I got my flashlight.
Let's go in your side. Come on. Who's a zombie? Come on, run.
I don't know who put this here. Let's go down.
How can I?
Nobody will know about this if we put the ladder away.
Yeah, nobody.
Okay.
That's ours now, okay?
Yeah, we just need to decorate it.
We need to cover it.
Yeah. So,
Yes?
I'm gonna work here. You work with the patients, okay?
Oh no, someone's starting here. No. Friend. Something's on me in that room. Look at that. A ghost.
That's just hangers.
No, a ghost there.
No, there's hangers.
It's moving. And
Hanger, look.
okay.
I just gotta go and go home. Come on in my car. I'll bring you to your house.
Pumasok ka daw.
Come on in my car.
Papasok ko
Come
daw.
on in my purple car. I like to say it. Come on. Come on. Fred, ando kita. Come on. I'm gonna drive. You come in. Come on.
Go. Can you run in my same side? Someone is calling me. Be quiet. Quiet. And I am here in the house. With mine. We're same. Who left this note? You're gonna die if you go inside. Friend, come on. Something say to me.
Come on at my house.
Where is it? Fred, come on. Friend, if we go, something letter give me. If you go to your house, you're
No, it said your house. So stay at my house. You can be nice and clean in my house.
Open it.
We just need to stay calm.
Who's that? What's that? Something I see. See?
Helicopter. It's a helicopter.
Yeah.
I know who that is. It's the FBI, but I don't want to answer it. We're just the doctors.
Let's go hide.
Okay, hi.
Let's go change our dress with you.
Okay.
Look like we're real person. Hello, Mew. Hello? Who's there? Ooh. Hello. Oh my god.
Okay, let's just go to sleep.
Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna sleep.
Ano yung ulamin mo na? Hindi mo nga yung inibis kanina.
Morning na daw. Tuloy tayo.
Oh my god.
Oh, my head.
The chair is still here.
Mm.
We don't have work today, so let's just hang out.
Yeah,
A
let's,
slumber party.
yeah, let's go. Let's go this
I'm just
party.
gonna get some food.
How this TV works?
Just press it.
I can press it. What? Something dangerous. No way. Hello. I'm getting some popcorn and you're just getting some
We don't have popcorn. We have to buy some. You go buy some stuff while I just cook some food, okay?
Okay, nabay na daw ako ng popcorn. Popcorn. Friend? Friend? Where are you? Are you? Friend? 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 Friend?
I'm stuck in the fridge. I was stuck in the fridge.
I'm stuck with fridge. I'm stuck. um,
Mama.
Muli ko ma-open. I'm too close.
Wait lang.
I'm open the other one.
Wait lang kasi.
Just jump. Jump, please. Jump there like that. Okay? Jump like that.
Uy, makadot doon.
I'm stuck in the fridge.
Just delete it.
Can you pick me up, girl?
I can pick.
Now. Pick me up, girl.
Pick you.
Finally.
You take it.
I'm gonna get pizza. Cola. Pizza. Coca-Cola. Oh my god.
Ooh. I'm getting something.
This is a spice. This is a... Oh my god, I'm feeling my belly. I'm feeling my belly.
Let's get the party. Now let's go.
I love this party.
I love this party. I'm gonna eat.
So yummy. This movie is so good.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Wait, I think someone texted you.
Wait,
Not me. Gravity.
where? Wait.
If you go to your house ever again, you'll see a monster in your bed and never come back to your friends again.
This is just a prank, right?
No, those deep voices are real.
Oh no. I'm not gonna answer you again. You're dying if you go to your bed.
Not me. You.
Not
They
afraid.
only know your house.
Are you kidding me right now? I'm gonna. Wait, I'm gonna poop. Eat. Daddy, daddy, daddy. Friend. I see friend.
Yes.
I see something down here.
That's just our basketball court.
Let's go. I want to
Wanna
go.
play there?
Yes.
On.
Where is it? Elevator down.
I have to quit my pizza.
hike it. How can I?
What?
Where is it?
Check this
Na-shoot.
No, backward.
Yes. Shit. Shooting in the pool. It's so fun to play here, right? I give you some phone. May nag-text daw sa'yo kung gaya daw rin sa aking boys. Ay! Lava. Lava, I'm gonna put
Oh, if you go to your friend's house named Emily, you can see a monster everywhere in her house. Do not beware to sell in that house. People will just ignore it until it becomes an abandoned house. Bruh.
Are you kidding me? Hello? You're gonna die. If I'm gonna eat you with your bed. I am vampire. If you
Let's sleep in separate beds tonight.
yeah. Where are you?
I'm just playing.
I'm gonna play up.
I'm playing. Someone poop on me.
If you play with your friends, you're gonna die. Oh no.
Friend, just play.
Friend, come here. Come here, hide. Friend,
I'm going upstairs so I can hide.
Me too. Is the singing voice like hear someone call you is
I'm up here.
really real.
Oh my god.
It said if you play with your friend you're gonna die.
Well, let's hide. Oh my god.
They can catch
It's
it.
right here.
Inside here.
I'm just.
Gonna slide in. No.
Friend.
What?
I think the room is in prank call lang daw yung mga yun.
It's just a pink car.
Oh my god. Whee! I slide down. I help! I'm stuck! Oh, no. Okay. Bruh! Na, ano daw kita ulit? Let's go to McDonald's!
Let's go. I'm up now.
Turn off the TV.
I can't. Let's go to
Lock the door.
All this time.
Let's go to McDonald's. Library daw pupunta natin. Let's park here. We don't have a car. Where's the car?
I'm gonna adopt some baby.
I'm gonna go to the library.
No kitten here.
Pauwi na daw ako.
Nakalimutan na daw ako pero remember mo.
Hindi daw.
Hmm.
What? Go back in your normal form. You look like a baby. Jump out and get dressed.
I'm gonna get dressed. My dress is gonna be real. Yay, so cool. I forgot my work. Now let's have a working day today.
It's time to go to... Walang daw work ngayon.
Friend? This trip.
Papasok na daw ako. Paalis na daw ako.
Pero may nakita mo daw girl na naglalakad papunta sa car mo.
Who's walking to my car?
Mag-stop ka daw.
Emergency daw.
Nakita mo daw na ako. Lang ako sa
Hey girl. Nagsinto ka daw. I'll give you some food and some money. Pero daw binila mo yung no abandon. I'll give you a ride. Follow me.
Okay.
Binigyan daw kita house na dati.
Pero yung friend mo nag-leave na.
So I can left? But this is your new house. Bye.
Bye.
I'll come see you the next day.
Okay.
Tumawag ka yung sa akin kasi may cellphone ka.
Hello? Hello,
Yeah? Yeah? Ma'am?
I will see you then the next day if it's morning. I'm gonna meet you.
Okay. My house is at house number 17.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Pero
Pumunta ka lang sa bahay ko pero may sasakyan ka na bago pero masira-sira. Yung sasakyan mo.
wait lang, magdadress ako.
Hindi. Pag for ba may damit na maganda, hindi.
Lalabas muna ako.
Yung sasakyan mo, ayun yung ba? Yung kalugama yun. Nakatawag lang daw ako sa cellphone ko.
Tumawag ka daw.
Hindi daw nakatawag ako sa iba. Narinig mo daw? So, this happened.
daw car na yan.
Oh, I hear a car, but that's probably not her. She's walking a bare foot. Sino nakakita ko na yung foot? Oh, pagtaw. Ayun.
Nakita mo daw nag-stop yung car na brown. Hello? I'm just gonna get, I haven't money now, but
Okay, you can get my old clothes. It's the ones that you can see them.
I get it now. Bye. When I don't know how. Can I buy this? Can I buy this house? Okay. Nakita mo daw may bago akong bahay.
Hindi. Nandun pa rin daw sa bahay mo na isa.
Nag-build na ako.
Hindi. Ako na nga. Ako na nga. Mati. Doon na din.
Ah! Narinig mo daw yan.
Hindi daw. At pupunta ako sa bahay mo. Blow up in the city. Go up and down and turn. So put my mind This is my car. What happened to my car?
Nakita mo daw car papunta sa bahay na yun.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello!
Oh, hi.
I'm just filming.
I got a new car.
My name is Emily.
Okay, mine is Samantha.
You can go to my house don't want it ever.
Okay, I'm just gonna go get some decorations for your house.
May phone na daw ako. Tsaka may coke. May nakita mo daw may
Hindi,
coke.
hindi. May kukuha daw ako. Ah, no, I forgot to in my car. I blow up in the city. I want to decorate your house.
Okay. just gonna go out.
Yeah.
I'm fixing my. How can I just go here, here, and then out. Oops. Oops.
What's happening?
I don't know. I'm jumping here. I'm jumping here and there and there. Look at it. So, wow, hi, I'm the window.
Oh my god, I'm just decorating your house.
Wow, there's too much go. I will delete this bed. I can't even sleep on it.
Because there's a hole.
Yeah. Then zombies coming inside.
There's no zombies here. There's no zombies coming here, but it's just abandoned. They're just, this is not abandoned, it was just abandoned 1 day ago. So,
This is your friend at the abandoned house?
yeah, but it became old, but it was remade.
May nagbalik daw yung friend mo. Pero nawala daw ako.
Okay.
Pero nagbalik daw ako yung nag-leave sa house neto. Wow, what are you doing?
I'm decorating my other friend's house
And no one is here.
because she left.
She leave here. She
Yeah,
leave.
because she's gonna come in tomorrow. Dumating ka na daw.
Doon, sa mga susi.
Ito.
Ayun, asa yung isa.
Narinig mo daw yun. She's coming. Sabi mo daw.
She's coming.
I'm just gonna get nothing. Sorry. Magkamukha daw kami. La 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 la. Who's this? Who's this?
This is my other friend.
She look like me. We're same. We're same. Why is it we're same?
I know, but this looks good, right?
Yeah.
I just need to put a bit more decorations. But you can do that since it's your own house.
I'm gonna help you.
Here you go. I gave one box to you because I have another box.
Paano malagay?
Okay.
Some cash money.
I'm gonna give you a gaming setup.
Yeah. Nakita mo daw ginawa ko. This is not. So just stop there. Track. And put it here. Oh, okay. Many money for here.
Hey, you're not allowed to put money or somebody else would steal it.
Yellow.
Somebody will steal it. Okay, fine, I'll put a door. But the door is breakable, so you have to put that gold away.
I can put it out.
Press that, and then press them, and then press the trash. Okay, so
I'm gonna put in the kitchen some good grass.
okay.
This is number.
Oh, speaking of kitchen, do you have any supplies there?
Yeah, but it's gone.
Oh, you could put supplies there while I put some more stuff at your home.
Oh my god, you put this.
Sorry. Hey, move out of the way. Just make me more.
Pero may nag-respond daw ako sa good dress. May nag-respond daw. Ah! Narinig mo daw yun. Nagtalon daw. Nagtalon. Ow!
Hindi, ikaw lang daw.
Oh no. Oh no. I get a new dress like a friend.
Oh, that's good.
Who's this? This look like me.
That's my friends. Bye, guys. Oh, it's night.
Tapos daw ako ng friend mo. Ow.
Did I push my friend or will not be friends?
I want to push him because he's copying my dress.
Well, do you think I have a problem with that?
Yeah.
No, I don't. Now, don't behave like that.
Sabi mo daw, that's what you get.
That's what you get. Put in the car. Pay attention to the light.
Meron na daw ako much money pero madami na daw.
Hindi daw. Makan ba minigay ko dyan? Konti lang.
Because but this money is gonna buy I'm gonna buy you some house, a new house.
Katabi daw ng bahay ko.
I need to go that good.
Inalo mo daw sa sasakyan ko pero nagpunta daw ako kasi may traffic.
Nagtakbo lang daw ako. I'm gonna buy some house.
Hindi. Nakasuot ka pa na daw ng ng for kasi hindi ka pa nakabili ng I grew up in the city.
This much money I can't buy.
Hindi, sasakyan ka daw. Yung sasakyan mo ng kulay
Brown.
This traffic's so hard to go on. It takes hours.
I need this money.
Oh my God. Finally, I can go. Okay, time to.
Nakita mo daw yung brown car.
Oh, hi, friend.
Yeah.
Hindi dyan, yung katapat.
Okay. Just need to. Oh my God. Can I buy this? Here you go. There you go. I got this house. Oh. Nakita mo daw yung bahay na kita ko.
Pero pumunta ka daw sa bahay ko, nagbinidang ka daw, nagkatok ka daw, pinigil mo lang yung pinto ko para magkatok.
Let me just. this house.
Close my door. Hindi ko daw nakita kasi yung door ko. We're coming. Na-open ko na yan.
Hello, friend.
Hello. You can go explore around the house.
I have only have a house now.
Oh, yay. Is it at my front?
Yeah?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Lock your door.
You lock my door. You're my roommate.
Okay. What's this about?
Oh, baby. Ng ano po, ng toilet.
Gusto mo mabuti bahay na hindi mo po yun.
I want to buy a new clothes. What should I get? Yes.
May music daw sa bahay ko.
Nakalock daw yung door mo.
You can come in. Hindi naka-unlock daw. You can come in.
Hello, friend.
Yes,
What are you doing?
I'm just watching TV and it has a song.
Yeah. Wait, this is a nose. No. Nose, I'm deer. My nose daw.
Ano daw, yung news daw, may dalawang bata, tas, okay, ako nagsasabi, breaking news, 2 kids in a ocean swimming at the beach. They were reported being lost when they went far deep in the ocean. They were just a bit far deep, then they went away. people say that they got eaten by a shark, but some rumors, they say that they just disappeared in the ocean.
Oh no. Friend,
And one of the children, before they went away, they said, "Sis, can we go in the deeps?" Then the other said no, but they still went in.
friend, we don't do that now. Or
They
do
wanna go swimming.
you're gonna just like that.
Wala daw ako habang swimming ako. I'm just gonna go swimming in the swimming pool, yeah. I'm gonna go swimming in the swimming pool, bye.
Coming with you.
No, you're not allowed.
I'm going to my house.
Bye-bye.
The big house for my house.
Down na wala ako.
I am in the house, big house. I am jumping with my house. And I am good. I am jumping with the tree with mine. Oh, let me just
Nahanap mo daw ako. Tinignan mo daw sa pool ng malaki.
I need to find friends.
Tingnan mo daw yung yung news before.
Let me just check in my nose.
Reporting news. One person was in the ocean again and swam deep in the depths again. Then went far deep and thought this rumor wasn't true until she went away. But the rumors again said that she just disappeared, but the others that saw just said got eaten by a shark. Stay tuned for more.
That's it. You don't listen to me.
News na ulit. Reporting news. A new rumor has been acquired. Everybody said that once you swim in the deep ocean, you just disappear. Nobody knows what happens when you disappear. We just think that you get in a tree and get stuck, but some rumors say that you just die.
That you don't listen. That's
But
it.
another news report said that if you go a bit deep and your parents are watching you, you're gonna disappear.
Hello. Mom, we need to run.
But if you run away, you can say you disappeared too.
Mommy,
So be stood and don't say anything weird before dying. Like one of your friends or you might be next.
wala daw ako sa akin. Wala daw ako.
Narinig ka daw dun sa isang building na report. Reporting news. There's a new report. After and again. One people said that they went in one of their friends went in the ocean. But they went first. They tapped the tree to get a coconut, but it didn't work. So went in the deep sea to wash their hands. And once that happened, everyone was shocked that she was gone. Even the reporter was shocked. Please stay tuned for more. This is the last video I'm posting.
I'm getting angry.
news. This is a bad serious news. Everybody has to listen quietly. Okay, so everybody reported that a turtle was swimming in the ocean, but went in the deep sea. Then got reported and disappeared. Everybody was petting him. It was the best turtle ever. Had best colors and everything, but suddenly disappeared. We don't know what happened to the ocean, but it's called Let's Go Ocean Part 2. I don't know what Part 2, but that's what happened. Important news once again. Everyone has disappeared, but except one person named Emma.
My name? No.
She didn't go to the ocean because she believed the rumor was true. So she's the only one that's left. Please be careful and do not go in the deep sea.
Is that? Is a cat? No more. I don't want to swim. I want to go to the... Wait a minute. Let me just get my phone. Calm down. Hello, friend. Just answer it.
Yes, once I went in the deep sea, I just got stuck in a tree and I cannot get out. I'm just using my phone to call you.
We're only two left, but I wonder. My name's the new Judith, but I don't know. She said I am only one in this round.
Well, nobody knows who's left. Just be sure you cannot swim in the ocean.
I don't want to swim. If I don't swim, and then I'm gonna get dirty. Fine. I don't want to go swim. Let me just get dirty. Wait. Let me just go get dirty.
I don't know what you're talking about, but this is deep serious. Is anybody left? Hello? Anybody left? No. Anybody left?
Where's it?
Anybody left?
Don't be
I'm
close.
nearby the police station, but is anybody left? Nobody's left.
But
I guess it's just my
narinig mo daw yung nawaye of only my home.
Wait. Girl, I think I know you.
Oh.
So, one of my friends in the deep sea, I just got out of the deep sea. So, I just got stuck in there and then got out. So, this girl named Samantha told me that you're her friend. So, I just went back up here and I saw you.
I don't have any house, but let me just walk.
Can you bring me to a house that's abandoned? I don't have any house.
I don't know where's abandoned house.
I can't walk there. It's over there, straight there. Straight there. Look.
Yeah, I still have a water slide.
Please.
My legs are broken, but I only can stand. I can't walk.
Oh, I have to walk. Oh, my legs are tired. At least I have this. I have to walk.
Nakita mo daw na ano ako.
You can have this actually. sea, but she said she couldn't get out because the ocean sea monster wouldn't let her out. Just me, because I did all of the work. She has to do all of the work too. I'm sorry, but I can't help you.
So attention, attention. The woman port is dangerous. Don't go, don't go.
How am I gonna go home now? I don't have a home. I'll just stay in the streets, I guess. My homework.
May nagkuha daw na ito kaya naday ako.
Hindi daw. Napasag ka lang daw. Wait. Is that cool? Okay. I don't have something to call the doctor, but I have to do this.
Nakita mo daw yung sign siya.
Hindi daw. Na ano daw. Ako nag CPR. I don't have a house.
Just jump. Nakita mo daw. Ako na
I just have this bike. I'm just gonna go. I need a
May nag-punch daw sa akin. Kaya
I'm just gonna drive.
narinig mo daw yan. Oh.
I'm just gonna put like here. Get my candle. Okay, bye. Ano daw? Ako daw yung friend mo. Yung na alam mo daw.
I can't walk.
Wait, I think you're my friend.
What do you say?
I think you're my friend. I remember you. When I was... Yeah, I know you. I know you.
I was young, but I see a poor girl. I help him make a house, but it's
But
gone.
I have to go now. Namatay daw ako tapos nag-disappear. Sabihin mo, what? Where'd she go?
Where she go?
Tapos nagyari daw sa'yo.